How to fix Zangi not showing contact. Ever open up a Zangi and notice your contacts aren't showing? It's a bit frustrating, right? Let's sort that out. We are going through a few simple steps to get your contact back in the Zangi. First thing, it might sound obvious, but you are connected to the internet. Zangi needs the data to sync your contacts. So double check your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and working. Got that? Okay. Now, the most important region is permission. Your phone needs to allow to the Zangi to access your contact list. Go to the phone setting or simply by tapping on your app, you will see an option for app info and go to app info. So this process is a little bit easier than going up to these phone settings, then app or application and look for the Zangi and tapping on it, and after going into the app info. So this was the shortcut too. Now you are inside the app info, simply scroll down and there you can see an option for permission. Simply tap on it. And here you will see allowed and not allowed features. So I have allowed camera, microphone and notification, and I have not allowed contacts. So that's why I am not seeing my contacts over on the Zangi app. Simply tap on contacts and tap on allow and go back to here. So it's allowed now. So I will see my contacts into my contact list from now on. You can see my contacts now. If permissions are okay and refreshing don't work instantly, try closing the Zangi completely and reopening it. Still no luck, a quick phone restart can sometimes kick things back into the gear. Usually, checking those permissions is the key. Give those steps a try and see if your contacts reappear. That's it for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.